This is going to be an overview of installing the GPS SIM cable on a more portable solution such as an office laptop. And we're going to do some review here of some of these connectors that's causing some confusion. This connector here, this is a null modem connector, DB9 female to female. Okay, there is a big difference between this type of a connector and a gender changer that is a straight pass-through. Okay, you must use a null modem DB9 female to female adapter. Okay, so this is the correct adapter to utilize. If you don't use this, it's not going to work. Now this is a typical adapter that you can go buy at Radio Shack, and you can see that they're almost identical. But the problem is that this is a straight pass-through, and this is strictly a gender changer. This is not a null modem cable. Now, the way that you install the null modem cable is that you sandwich the null modem cable between the USB adapter to RS-232 and the GPS cable itself, the SIM cable. So just strictly sandwiches in between the two. Okay, and the next step is that we're going to go ahead and install the drivers for the laptop. And once those drivers are installed, we're going to go to the device manager. And the way you do that is you're going to go to your computer, right click, and you're going to go to manage, and that will bring up the configuration page where you go to device manager. And in device manager you're going to go down and you're going to be looking for your serial port. Now this is currently not plugged in, of course, so we're going to go ahead and plug it in. Once you have your drivers installed, it will auto load the drivers for you. So, and you'll see it refresh, and there it is. So basically, you're going to go to this, drop that down, right click on that, properties, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to the port settings, and you're going to bring this down to 4800 N none 1 none. You're also going to go to the advanced tab on some instances, and if you have problems with the data flowing, you're going to have to slow down the buffers. Okay, and you just go to the advanced tab and just move your sliders down like that. And like I said, sometimes you might have to do that, sometimes you don't, but in most instances it's just too fast for a lot of these GPS devices. So, and then you're going to notice what COM port you're on. So whatever it finds for you, you're on COM 6. So make it go to that. So hit OK. OK, and then you can go ahead and close that. Close the interface down. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and launch X-Plane. Wherever you installed the program, go to the directory, go ahead and launch X-Plane, and while it's loading, we'll go to that configuration page after it finishes loading. So after X-Plane finishes loading, we're going to go up to the settings menu on the laptop that you have X-Plane running on, go to joysticks and equipment, and we're going to set the COM port to what device manager had the USB to serial set to. So that was COM 6. So we set that to COM 6. Hit OK or close the dialog. And then what we're going to do is head over to the iPad, and we're going to launch the GPS cable utility. And what we're going to know is, I'm sorry that it's tilted, but you can see the data is streaming from the So you can see that the location on the GPS sim cable app is properly georeferencing that location of where the aircraft is in relation to where it's on X-plane. So from there we can go to launch the Garmin app or ForeFlight, and there we go. We're at the Palm Springs International Airport, and it's properly georeferencing right over the threshold of runway 13 left. And you can see over here on the Garmin, it's also 13 left. So that's an overview of how you can get your laptop connected via USB to RS-232. Pretty straightforward. Like I said, the critical thing is if you didn't order the null modem adapter from the website, that you must verify that it's not a gender changer and that it is a true null modem adapter, DB9 female. And that's it.